3 signs na dapat umatras ka muna bago ka maglabas ng pera online. Sign number 1, they promise income without effort. Sasabihin nila, wala kang gagawin, auto income, copy-paste lang. Dati, may excite ka kasi gusto mo ng mabilis, gusto mo ng easy. Pero isipin mo to, how can you earn if you don't work? Real business required effort. Real income requires process. Oo, mas madali na lang ngayon kumita online. Pero hindi ibig sabihin, wala ka nang gagawin. If it sounds too easy, too smooth, too perfect, it's not an opportunity, it's a trap. Sign number 2, they discourage learning. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-aral, hindi mo na kailangan mag-research, trust mo lang kami. Dati, gusto mo yan kasi less effort, less responsibility. Pero ngayon alam mo na, anyone who stops you learning wants you dependent. Kung talagang may system para kumita ng walang kaalaman, bakit hindi lahat mayaman? Growth requires learning. Income requires understanding. Kapag bawal magtanong, bawal mag-verify, bawal mag-isip, that's not mentorship. That is manipulation. Sign number 3, they guarantee profits. 100% sure, walang talo, sure ang tubo, listen carefully. Lahat ng investment may risk. Lahat ng negosyo may risk. Kahit nga simpleng online selling, may risk. There's no such thing as guaranteed profit. If someone promises zero risk, either hindi nila alam ang kanilang ginagawa or they are lying. And tandaan mo to, both are dangerous. Reality check. Hindi masama kumita online, hindi masama ang mag-invest. Ang masama, yung maniniwala ka sa pangako walang proseso, walang risk at walang effort. Maturity is when you stop chasing hype and you start asking questions. Because money without knowledge is just temporary. But wisdom with discipline, that's protection. You're not being negative. You're just being careful. And being careful can save you from becoming the next victim.